This is Beaverwood's Chickadee. Stop there, Kilby. She is by Marion F. Merlin, out of Beaverwood Starling. Starling was a registered half Welsh, half thoroughbred. Chickadee is 16 years old, stands 12'1". She's been primarily used as a short stirrup, children's pony, and family pet. She's actually had a lot of trail riding as a youngster for the first 4 years. When she was at her first home, they did a lot of trail riding, river crossing, swimming, and carriage driving. All right, Kilby Walker is at Beaverwood Farm on consignment to be sold. She was originally purchased as a 2-year-old, and she's had 3 different homes since that, and she's 16 years old. She is a wonderful children's pony. All right, Kilby, let's go out to the riding ring and do some jumping. The rider today is Kilby, and Kilby is 7 years old. All right, Kilby, when you're ready, you can start to trot. This is a beautiful little mare. She's really well put together. Puffin. And of course, Starling, Chickadee's mother, was a very famous medium A circuit here in Ontario, as well as leases to Pennsylvania and Vermont. Can you just make a circle here, Kilby? All right, when you're ready, Kilby, walk and then canter. Keep cantering and then cut across the arena and do a lead change. Just don't let her get too slow. Look where your lead change is going to go. Kick. Good, and let her walk. What are you doing? Oh, your shoelace. Okay. As you can see, she is very quiet. This is what 7-year-old kids do with horses, right?